Whenever you want to submit your lessons report, you can do so from rightstartmusic.com/report. And it's pretty simple. All you have to do is first, you want to make sure that you have logged all of your lessons in MyMusicStaff for that time period. So say if you want to do it for the entire month, you want to do it from the first of the month until the last date of the month. Just make sure everything in that time frame in MyMusicStaff is logged properly. And then you can go to Submit My Lessons Report right here. And it's going to take you here and it's going to say, please be sure to log into MyMusicStaff and take attendance for all of your students before submitting your report. So you're going to say, I'm submitting my lessons report for the following date. You can say for the 1st to the 31st, and then you just, put your name. If there are any notes that you want to put in there for any reason, you can do that. And then you hit the submit button. And you'll get the confirmation and you should be all set. So once you do that, it will alert me that you've submitted your report. I can go ahead and do the direct deposit for you at that time and we should be all set. And if you have any questions about any of this, always feel free to give me a call or send me an email. I'm happy to help any way I can. Thanks so much.